and welcome back to Valvetronic. Now today we're going to shake up the video style for you guys. The Corvette C8 Z06, an exhaust platform that has been super successful for Valvetronic Designs. We thank you to all the naturally aspirated 5.5 liter people out there enjoying the Valvetronic setup. But this video is for those folks who are looking to get the setup but don't know exactly which setup is best for them. Our objective is showcasing the different sound characteristics from Valvetronic Designs on the same car and on the same roads, so you guys can choose what setup is best for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do stock downpipes with the sport configuration, and then we're gonna do the race configuration with the rear section as well. So you've got your full race, you get your sport. Our objective is to showcase what's going to be the best fit for you for these different setups. Now, there's two setups of Valvetronic Designs as just elaborated. One is the free flow race configuration, the other is just the sport catback. If we're talking about the different configurations, the sport system is designed for the increase in the pitch and the sound quality. The setup does not get a massive amount louder, but it really tailors in that high pitch, exotic, kind of Ferrari 458 type of sound. Now, when you add the race configuration, this is where you're gonna get a big jump in volume. So if you're looking for lots of volume, definitely going to want the race setup, as it's a more freer flowing design with the free flow front sections. So again, in this video, we're going to showcase all the different sound characteristics of both setups back and forth. The video is going to follow the normal format, showcasing revs, flybys, launch control, hard acceleration, GoPro, and interior clips, but we're going to cycle back and forth between the race setup and the sport setup. So on the video, you guys know what the best setup is for you. Obviously, when you do the race configuration, you do pick up a lot of volume, but if you're just looking for sound quality, the sport is great. Every enthusiast is different for what they want. If it were me, because I need everything loud because I'm losing my hearing, which is amazing, I would go with the race setup because I want it insane. If you're not so predisposed to loud cars and you're just looking for a nice sound improvement, quality-wise improving the sound, losing a bunch of weight and such, go with the sport setup. But the sport and race, the way they interact, the race setup is exactly the same as the sport, but you just add the race pipes to increase the volume. So that's the scoop. Let's jump into the video. We're gonna go back and forth. You'll see the car that has the titanium exhaust tips is the one with the race setup. The car that's using the stock tips is the sport setup, and you can choose which is best for you. If you got any other questions, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com, on our website, through the chat box, give us a phone call. We're here to help to make sure that we can offer you the ultimate experience. Let's get to it. This car, no tune. This car's bone stock. Listen to the overrun. The snaps on the shifts are just ridiculous. Head's gonna come out the ceiling. This thing is amped, bro.